Today let's talk about content that can be easily digestible by people. So, I was reading this book named Hyperfocus. I'll mention the link in the description for audiobook on Audible. I use Audible, but this is no affiliate. I'm just mentioning the link. This book had one topic named uh, the author calls it attention space. Like he tells every human has an attention space and a memory. Those are two different things, like RAM and ROM on your PC. RAM stores the data for limited period of time and is very small, and ROM has more data and can store the information for longer period of time. So this is how he explains that thing, that if you want to make sure that RAM processes the data correctly and sends it to the ROM, you need to break it to the point that RAM can easily acquire that data. And he says about this thing called golden number 7. He says everything that you remember, try to remember, should be small as to the number 7. For example, if you are giving a checklist of anything, try to make it till 7 points. I'll give you an example. If you want to remember the a mobile number in India is 10 digits long, but you don't remember it in 10 digits, right? You remember it in 2, 3s, and 4s. So that's what the author tries to explain. If you need to remember, make your content to be remembered by the audience, you need to do it in small, what do you call it, small pieces. Which is why carousels have 7 to 8 points of the value, and the first and the last is just to get attention and to tell person to take the action. Getting the point? So this was the main gist of this video I was trying to make, is try to make that content more digestible. Like you see, uh, there are 7 colors specifically. Like rainbow has so many colors, but we only say it's a 7 color rainbow, right? Rainbow is multicolor inside it, but we see only 7. There are 7 wonders of the world. It's easier to remember. Then there comes 6. Three-dimensional figures have 6 sides of the die, the rolling die. uh, and five love languages, easy to remember. Small piece of you can like recall the at least 3 of it easily. Then comes 4, like 4, what are there, like 4, and 3 is a charm. I'm not coming back with anything for 4, but चार लोग क्या कहेंगे. 4. So uh, 3 is a charm, or third time is a charm, or 3 little musketeers. 7 little drops in the for 7. And that's how we try to couple, rather, Batman and Robin, Romeo Juliet, couple, two. So try to break things down to 1 to 7 only. Those are the most important things, and that will be the way that the audience you are trying to communicate with will try actually remember the information, and that's what your goal is, right? They need to recall the information, and they need to recall that you gave that information, so that they can recall the brand. If you're trying to create content for marketing, or even if you're trying to create a personal brand, you need to think it in 7, like golden number should be the 7. So that's all for today's video. Hope this brings some new information to you. So let's end it. Bye.